Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Wave accounting software, one of the best free accounting tools for small businesses. So step 1, create a Wave account. Go to waveapps.com and click sign up. Register using your email and set up your business details like name, industry, and country. Step 2, set up your dashboard. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. From here, you can manage invoices, receipts, bank connections, and reports. Step 3. Connect your bank account. Click the banking section on the left sidebar and then click Connect a bank account. And this allows Wave to automatically pull in transactions for easier tracking. Step 4. Create and send invoices. Go to the Sales tab and click Invoices. You can go customize your invoice with your logo item, descriptions, due dates, and taxes. Send them directly to clients via email. Step 5. Track expenses and reports. Under the Purchases section, record expenses manually or upload receipts. And then under the Reports, generate balance sheets, income statements, and tax summaries. Wave is especially great for freelancers, small shops, and solopreneurs, and it's completely free. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.